All right, this time finally pressure washing. Got everything out of the engine bay. I have taped up all of the holes. I went ahead and used the blower to get a bunch of the dust out. Now we're gonna wash everything. I do have some scrubbers, probably just gonna use Dawn, and we're gonna get this ready for paint. I'm just using Dawn in warm water right now. If I have to, I'll get some degreaser, which it's looking like I might need to. Dawn is some magical stuff. Got a pretty good concentrated Dawn in here too. Probably about a quarter of this bottle was full of it. Looking like I might have to get the fenders off. Maybe rust treat them. But with the amount of stuff that was stuffed through them, probably have to get them off just to figure out where all that stuff went. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get these off. Got a couple extra little clips and things that I'm gonna have to pull before I paint. But I'm gonna have to do a final clean anyways. This is just to get the junk off. And I've got a hole. I have to get some more tape on that. Well, this sets. Put some more tape on that hole. We'll come back and scrub. All right, got that hole taped up. The rest of it seems to be holding up pretty good. That's trash. Definitely gonna have to get some degreaser. I got some chunky stuff down there that I don't think that's gonna come up. But we're gonna spray it off again, see where we're at, go from there. Probably going to drill me a little hole right here too. This just seems like a great place for us to start. There's just chunks of nastiness in here. Stuff I couldn't get to with the brush. That's where the ABS unit sits, and that stuff's pretty corrosive. Well, I will say this tape is holding up great. If you need tape to wash your engine bay, keep the cabin dry, this Flex Tape anti-flood water, I'll get their real name for you. It works great. All right, gonna head to the store and get some degreaser, then we're gonna scrub this down with some green pads. We gotta rough up this paint if we're gonna paint it. Also, probably gonna do some rubbing alcohol. I'm not quite sure, maybe a little tack cloth, but I'm painting it outside with rattle cans. So probably not gonna be 100%, but we're gonna do the best job we can. My battery's getting a little low, but I just kind of wanted to let you see what I did today. See there, seam sealer's all coming off. Got all the funk out of there. This was just absolutely filled with funk. I don't know if you noticed, but I got all the air conditioning box out so I could get into here and clean this all up. Looks like I left a tab right there. And this is rusty. I'm gonna have to treat this. This is where the battery sits, and it was also just full of leaves, full of old stuff. This car sat in my grandparents' backyard for 6 years. I don't know what happened to it before then, but most of it looks pretty good. I am gonna get some degreaser. It is pretty gross down here where everything leaked onto it. Kind of came clean, but not quite. So we'll get some better stuff and we'll get back at it. Well, it looks like it's taking paint off. And my nozzle broke. All right. Definitely looks cleaner. Does not look very sanded. I guess it is kind of sanding through here. What I'm trying to do is etch it so it's got some place for the new paint to stick and clean all the grease off so the paint will actually stick. I'm going to go over this again and make sure I got all the spots. Oh, this will make your hands tough, that's for sure.